Hello there! Do you find it difficult to create a beautiful ribbon bow, especially one that can also be used as a stylish hair accessory? Watch this video and learn how to make it. A simple ribbon bow can truly elevate your decor and serve as a chic hair bow accessory.
Whether it's for gift, a special occasion, or everyday embellishment around your home, these versatile bows can add a touch of elegance and charm. Plus, you can customize them for any theme or color scheme, making them perfect for both your home decor and personal style. We hope this video helps you to create the perfect bow with ease. Happy crafting! See you on our next video! Bye!